So our landlord tip today, right now times are really good. And I think we'll talk about kind of how things are going good for an investor. You made a funny comment a couple of weeks ago. I listened to it yesterday, Tom, about you could be an idiot and flip a house right now. And you can be an idiot and make money.
We have a perfect example right here.
I found that too funny. But what that kind of reminded me of kind of the 2006, 2007, where things are going too good, but you don't stop to kind of clean your house up or clean your side of the street up while things are good. So, right now, tighten your portfolio up, make it, financing's really loose, make sure you got the best terms for any of your deals, sell your dog properties, your non-performing properties. If you have a crappy property now, it's only going to be worse if the market's crappy. So now's the time. There's opportunity to sell stuff with the shortage out there. Make sure you're addressing tenant issues. Bad tenants in a good market are only going to get worse in that sense. So, your home equity line, this is maybe not advice, but I know in the downturn, I saw a lot of people that had this home equity line that they're sitting on the sidelines with that the banks took back in when things got tight. So, consider for me, my home equity line, I have it in a savings where I'm getting 1%, and part of it is kind of lending it kind of some hard money on the side to make up that difference. So, but that money, the bank can't necessarily yank it back on me. And then grow relationships with private investors. In the downturn last time, we had that credit crunch, and what made us a lot of money was having the connections of people with private investors. So the market's good now. Prepare for what the market could look like down the road if things ever tighten up. Or when things tighten up, I guess.